So you have that special stakeholder demo that you need to deliver, and for that you need to build a presentation. So you go on the web, you look everywhere for the perfect template, you find that, you download it, and then you realize you need to change all those fonts. So you start going line by line, box by box, you change the font to whatever you need, and it takes ages. Like it pretty much swallows up your day. So what if I tell you there is a much better way to do that? Let me show you. So instead of, going text box by text box, marking up the actual text and changing the font with that, you can just go to the edit menu. You can open the find submenu and just click on the replace fonts option. You select the font that you want to replace and you select what you want to replace it with. Then you just click replace and you watch the magic happen. This will keep all of the font formatting you have, bold, italic, underlined, whatever you have. It will keep it, but it will change the font family. This is just pure magic. It's mind-blowing, and it saves so much time. Use it next time. That's it. Till the next one.